Omwaziri w'ekisemi Professor George Magoha litukulia lero bononi ga abakako iretaro yaje ase county ya Kisii igabaka gutaro chinsemu ane konyara kuligirana ke county ya Kisii yabergweke roberia anasumu roberia CBC na bogor junior secondary ngakarokeria boroki bono bagendret bacha kirebene kugora chi school na boigo na kitugu chwikira ni roberia yo ananemi ye county ya Kisii kahukona kurwase school ya waiseke ya Kereri Magoha wananyara kubolia balimu abana bechi skuru mbaba se kubatumanka bana sekirenga bunali golidi endagera ndimentete Yantona na banyaraga kubolia abaro kikone kibuna ngonya bale kubwaterana na bahibuli likone kibana mbali koseligwa asa ogochekoligia chibesa maiga ya bana bogocha koigere skuru aseli tukulia lero Magoha boigoni gatare chinsem imiye county ya Kisii bunenchire ya muyo kulige limero bili skuru chia bekire anene asomo yego somuro bili CBC na boigo junior secondary.
We are opening schools tomorrow. There's too much noise about nothing because the difficulties we are having at our homes in Kenya today are not specific for our country. They are everywhere. So mine, first of all, is to encourage parents to take their children back to school and to pay as much fees as they can give there. Let us not start talking about the price of maize because that price is going to come down. This government under His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta has imported maize, and so let the politicians not take this and take it to heaven. It is actually criminal to play with our children's lives. My charge and instructions to those in boarding schools is that I am sure the parents are going to pay fees that they can use to start looking after our children. I am very sure that within a month or so, the government will have ensured that the maize prices will come down. Even at the homes where the children are coming from, the maize prices are the same. So let us not toy with the well-being of our children. It's actually repugnant to any normal human being. In fact, I want to reassure the country today that this government that I'm serving is ensuring that even though we have started a new year, that capitation will be in school by Friday this week, both for primary school and secondary school. Now that capitation money is not toys, it is money which has the value. The Ministry of Lands has improved its processes. We now have most of the, like if you look at Nairobi for example, all the lands and titles have been put on GIS and that process is going on. So you should not be afraid. I think the titling process has been going on, a sizable number. It cannot be nearly. It can't be nearly. That one is now a political statement. I don't belong to that section. Some of them across the country, they are a sizable number. And it is a process that is ongoing. The reasons are like this. Kenyans are chronic thieves of land. And you can take that to the bank. So there have been encroachments where people have developed school land. But what the government has done is giving us the real delineations. And if you have, for example, built a 10-story building in school land, we thank you very much. We shall take it for our children for the school. So that titling process is ongoing. We are in the process of ensuring, like I've told you, the titling, if you look at Nairobi, which is now complete, there are certain schools that have been encroached on, and we are in the process of recalling the titles and giving new ones. And if you refuse to bring the other one, it will be cancelled, and a new one will be given. Are we together? This is a problem here, even here in Kisii, now that you have pushed me, even here in Kisii, it's not about just school land. Public land in particular. There are parts in Kisii, you are aware, that people have encroached and something is being done. We have gone through COVID. We are going to go through election. Let this election process not be the catalyst of causing instability in our schools once again. I want to